Banks Debts Limited has taken similar action against the Guyana Revenue Authority GRA, as in the case of the Demerara Distillers Limited DDL. For over 2 decades, the GRA and DDL were embroiled in a consumption tax assessment wrangle. To settle the matter, both sides reached an agreement out of court. DDL had reportedly owed the GRA some $5.3 billion for the period 2001-2006 only, but through an agreement reached, the government settled the case for $1.5 billion. The opposition had long argued that, looking at the interest rate for 10 years at 10%, it would have been over $10 billion owed to the government by the company. The matter had been in the High Court for years. Thus, the administration made a decision, but PPP General Secretary Bart Jagdew had predicted that Banks Debts Limited was going to make the move.
So Banks DIH is claiming $28 billion of refund only for the period 2001-2006. When we come to see what happened between 2006 to 2016, there could very well be another claim of an over maybe $30 billion more.
The company is seeking what it calls an overpayment of consumption tax, labeling it a mistake of the law by highlighting a significant less amount paid by DDL for the same period arising out of the tax settlement.
We have settled a case that will cost the Treasury $80 billion. That's why I've argued that this nonsense about us that we can't afford anything.
Jagdew is calling this the biggest scandal of all. However, it all has its genesis with former Commissioner General of the GRA, Khurshid Sattar. The action was filed on December 16 last, naming the Guyana Revenue Authority and the Attorney General as defendants. Handel Duncan, HGP Nightly News.